lacking behind. Okay, so today we are going to start a new exercise, exercise 6.4. Oh, so sorry, 6.3. We are going to start. Do not write anything. Do not write anything. In exercise 6.3 is reducing fraction. How to reduce a fraction. Reduce means कम करना. Okay, किसी भी fraction को कम कैसे किया जाता है. To simplest form. Beta, before knowing what is simplest form, there will be two terms. One term. Simplest form. What is simplest form? Or lowest term also we can say. Lowest form. Lowest term also we can say. Okay. Huh. We can say simplest form also. We can say lowest term also. What is it? See beta, if you know this fraction 2 upon 3. This is 2 upon 3. Does it 2 upon 3 we know can be written as also 4 upon 6. Can also be written as 6 upon 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9. Right? They all are equivalent fractions. But simplest form is only this one. This is known as simplest form. This number is known as the simplest form. Why? Because simplest form is the form in which in the numerator and denominator there is no common thing, common number which can be divided. For example, 4 and 6, they both are coming in the table of which one? They both are coming in the table of which one? 4 and 6.
2.
2.
2.
Both are coming. 2. Very good. Wait a second. So they both are coming in the table of 2. That means they both are, if they are coming in any of the same table, that means they are not in simplest form. If they are coming in any of the same table, they are not in simplest form. Okay, right? Like you have read about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, numerator and denominator should be co-primes. In simplest form should be co-prime. Okay, numerator and denominator should be co-prime. Co-prime means the numerator and denominator must not have anything in common which they can be divided. They should not have any number in common that can be divided. They can be divided. For example, 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are they coming in any same table?
3.
3. They both are coming in the table of 3. That means they are not in simplest form. Okay. Now, to reduce them, how can we reduce the fraction into simplest form? Any fraction is given to us. Suppose question is given to us. Reduce fraction 12 upon 18 to simplest form. To simplest form or to the lowest term also they can ask. Simplest form और lowest term एक ही बात होती है. Okay. Simplest form or lowest term एक ही बात होती है. Okay. So question is given to us, reduce 12 upon 18 to simplest form. So how we are going to do this? 12 upon 18 is given to us. Okay. 12 upon 18 is given to us. Now what we do, if by which table it is dividing completely? Both of them are coming in which table? Both of them are coming in which table? किसकी टेबल में आते हैं दोनों? 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. Very good. Some are saying 3, some are saying 2. Both are correct. So first of all, we will divide it by 3. As you are saying by 3, we will divide the numerator as well as denominator both by 3. When does 12 comes in the table of 3? 4. And when does 18 comes in the table of 3? 6. 4 upon 6 is the answer. Now wait. 4 and 6, are they coming in any of the same table?
2.
2. Very good, Arjun. They are coming in 2's table. That's why we will divide it, the numerator as well as denominator both by 2. We will divide numerator and denominator both by 2. When does 4 comes in the table of 2? 2 2 4. Okay. 2 की टेबल में 6 कब आता है?
Ma'am, three.
Three.
Threes are.
Threes are. Now 2
Ma'am,
and
two.
3. Do they come in any of the same table?
No, ma'am.
No. That is okay. Now this is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. We have changed 12 upon 18. That means 12 upon 18 की simplest form क्या होगी? It will be equivalent to 2 upon 3. Okay? Understood? आप 18 के 12 parts ले लो या 3 में से 2 parts ले लो. Both are equal. आप एक वो लो box उसके 3 parts करो and take 2 parts out of it. It will be same as if you do 18 parts of the same box, 1, 2, 3, like 18 boxes you have made, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18 boxes में से आप अगर इसके 12 cases लोगे, 12 ones, तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक प्रिंट हो सारे के सारे. Understood? अच्छा. So what does it? How will you do it? That is not important. There is still important. आपको जिस भी सेम टेबल में दोनों आते हुए लग रहे हैं, divide that number, the numerator also and denominator also by the same numbers. That's it. Understood everyone? It is very easy and very interesting also when you will do it. आपको ये 6 से लग रहे जाते हुए, divide both of them by 6. It's all up to you. Okay? Now take out your notebooks quickly. Now open your notebooks. Put down the date on a new page. Write exercise 6.3 at the top. Write question A. Write question A. Reduce the fractions to lowest terms. Okay, write question 1. It is same as book. 49 upon 56. You will do it yourself. I'll just check it, okay? I will check it. You all have to do it yourself. Number 2 is 15 upon 45. I will check it on WhatsApp. How will you be able to do it? And suppose some big number is there and you have to divide it by, suppose you're thinking that is divided by 2. You can make a rough column and divide it by 2 there. Okay, everyone will get a different answer. I'm making a line. You can continue from the here from downwards only because I don't have a space here. That's why I'm making a line. Solve 6 of them. Once you complete all these, just send me the answer on WhatsApp. Okay, you can see from here. All those who are doing, you can see from here. I hope everyone is able to see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it quickly,
Yes,
be quick. If you are unable to understand, then you can tell me. I will later explain you. By the time I'm going to explain you, 49 and 56, tell me like that only. In which table is it coming? Both of them.
7.
Both of them, 7 sevens are 49 hota hai, 7 eights are 56 hota hai. Both of them are coming in the table of 7. So we divide the numerator as well as denominator by 7. 7 की टेबल में 49 कब आता है? 7 sevens are 49 upon 7. Approval Shaurya and Adeshika, please switch off your mic. 7 8 are 56. Okay. I'll tell you others by the time completed. See here, next question. 15 and 45. Some of you are saying 15 and 45, they come in the same table. Obviously, they can come in the same table. You can do it directly also. You can divide it by 15 and 15 by both. Then 15 ones are 15 and 15 threes are 45. 1 upon 3 answer will be there. Or you can do in another way. You say, दोनों तो 5 की table में आते हैं. Okay, if they are coming in the table of 5, just divide them both numerator and denominator by, 5. 5. You say both of them are coming in the table of 5. So you divide the numerator and denominator both by 5. So in 5, when does 15 comes in the table of 5? 5 threes are 15. And if you divide 5 1 5 5 nines are 45. So 3 upon 9 answer is coming. Many of you have left the answer here only. Beta, check 3 and 9. Are they coming in the same table? Yes, both of them are coming in the table of 3. That's why do not leave here only. Divide it by 3 and by 3 here. Numerator and denominator by 3. Most of you left the answer here. Out of 5 students, 2 students have done this. 2 or 3 students have done this. So 3 ones are 3 and 1 upon 3 will be the ultimately answer of this one. 7 upon 8 is the only correct answer. 1 upon 3 is only correct answer. Okay, here answers may vary. Here answers may change. But here this answer will be same. Okay, now 40 and 72. In which table both of them are coming? Tell me quickly. 40 and 72. Tell. Are you able to?
4.
Okay, 4. Let's divide it by 4. Numerator and denominator by 4. 4 tens is 40, we all know. Okay, if you divide 72 by 4, so what you do, make a rough column and check. When does 72 comes in the table of 4? 4 ones are 4, 32. 4 eights are 32. Yeah, it is coming 18 times. Okay, so we are going to write here. Wait. So we are going to write it 18 here. 10 and 18, are they coming in any of the same tables? 10 and 18, are they coming in any of the same tables? 2. और बेटा इसको आप डायरेक्टली 8 से भी कर सकते थे. 8 5 are 40, 8 9 are 72. 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो. You can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 5 are 10 and 2 6 are 2 9 are 18. 5 upon 9 is the only correct answer. This is the only correct answer. Here answers may change, but final answer should be this only. कैसे भी करके final answer यही होना चाहिए. 144 and 180. In which table both of them are coming?
3.
3. Okay, some of you can say 2 also. You can. I am dividing it by 2 because मुझे दोनों even numbers लग रहे हैं. So I divide both of them by 2. मुझे दोनों even numbers लगे, so मैंने दोनों को 2 से divide कर दिया. And where I will do the division, I'll make a rough column. I'll make a rough column since my hand is there. Okay, 2 को 41, 44 को 2 से divide करेंगे. 2 7s are 14. Subtracted, you will get double 0 here. Or copy this 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, I'm getting 72. So I'm writing 72 here. Okay. 182 2 से divide करना है. How will you do it? 182 9s are 18.
19.
0 and you will copy the 0, then you will put 1 0 here. 90. So 72 upon 90. In which table both of them are coming?
3.
3, or I can say 9. 9. 9 is better, beta. 9 is better. 9 8s are 72. 9 10s are 90. 9 8s are 72. 9 10s are 90. Now 8 and 10, are they coming in any of the same table? 8 and 10.
6.
6 की टेबल में आ रहा है 8 और 10.
2.
2 की टेबल में आ रहे हैं ना. Divide the numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. 4 upon 5 is the answer. Okay. Now this one is easy. 10 and 12. Both of them are coming in the table of what? 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. This is the only answer. It is very easy. Acha, 120 and 360. This is also very easy. In which table both of them are coming? Try to take a big number.
12.
12 नहीं बेटा, आपको लास्ट में अगर 0 दिख रहा है, अगर आपको लास्ट में 0 दिख रहा है, it is coming in the table of 10. Both of them. Divide them by 10. Okay, it will be easier. जैसे लास्ट में दोनों में 0 दिख रहा है, that means both are divisible by 10. So 12 upon 36 will be the answer. Now 12 and 36, are they coming in any of the same table? किस टेबल में आते दोनों? 12 की टेबल में. Divide by 12, numerator and denominator. So answer will be 1 upon 3. Okay. Bye everyone. The meeting is over. Just do these questions. I'll send the screen. I will share the picture of this on the WhatsApp. Everyone complete this work.